Hey everyone, welcome to another radio related video. And this is a little request that I had in a message, a comment about actually just going through the buttons on the receiver, the Icom IC R8500 receiver itself. Nothing technical, just explaining quickly what the button will actually do. So we'll go through this quickly. On the left side of the radio, you've got your power button, so turn on off. You got a sleep function here to actually go up to 120 minutes before going to bed. You can leave it in the sleep mode, which is going to turn off by itself. And it also is the same button that will give you a menu when you press at the same time as the power on button. Then you've got your record remote here, which will actually let you start and stop a recorder. Record out, which is a sound output for a tape recorder. The phone's jack here to put a headset to listen to the radio. Then in the buttons here we've got, of course, a WAD FM, FM, AM mode, single sideband and CW switch. We've got the noise blanker and the automatic frequency control settings. We've got the automatic gain control. We've got a 10 and a 20 dB attenuation that can be used together to put 30 dB. Automatic frequency gain, which is basically a volume control. You've got the squelch function here. You've got two functions on this one, which is the audio peak filter. So when it says APF in the display, it means the audio peak filter, which is a audio frequency change filter where you can this is a nice little feature. And here there's an outer ring where you have the IF shift being basically you just move the intermediate frequency of the receiver, which means that the radio stays tuned to that frequency you're listening to, but will either push up or down a little bit the signals that are present, which is very nice in single sideband, because sometimes when stations are really close together, you can actually have better control of what you're listening to by pushing out a little bit the signal that's interfering. Then you've got your little tuning steps here, up or down. So starts at 10 Hertz and goes all the way to 1 megahertz. And there's programmable also. You've got a search and lock function here for the keys. You've got the audio peak filter on-off switch. The main tuning knob, if we go on the right side of the radio, I'll try to put it a little closer here. And here we go. On the right side of the radio, you've got your numeric keypad. You've got the memory channel selection. You've got the enter key, and which is also a bank up or down depending on up or down that you're going here. You've got memo, which will keep frequency that you've just tuned in the radio, and call back also the frequency. Program, which lets you program all sorts of things. The auto function, which lets you, for example, scan automatically. Priority, which means you can put a priority channel where the radio will go every second, check if there's a signal present. You've got also the delay function here, which works with the delay on the outer ring of this button here. The voice qual control, you can skip a channel. This one is about selecting a channel function, I believe. Memory set in the bank, choosing the bank. Memory clear, memory write buttons. And here at the end, you've got the delay speed. And you also have a recall of the memory channels. When you turn it, you will go and get the different automatic memory channels. So when the radio scans, for example, it automatically writes in the radio channels where audio is present, so you can actually recall it with this outer button here. So that's a really quick look at the buttons here on the Icom IC R8500, and as requested, nothing fancy, so I've not really done any details whatsoever to much of these buttons, just a very quick front panel go through. So hope this is nice and you enjoyed. So this was a look at the a very quick look at the front panel of the Icom IC R8500. So thanks for watching. 73.